Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge pops using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Also, have 2 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt ready. Make sure your popsicle molds and sticks are clean and accessible for the next steps. Now let's cook our delicious fudge base. In a medium saucepan, whisk together the cocoa powder, sugar, and cornstarch until well combined. Gradually pour in the milk, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Place the saucepan over medium heat and continue to stir. Cook the mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it thickens to a pudding-like consistency. Don't let it boil vigorously. Once your fudge mixture has thickened, remove it from the heat. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and the pinch of salt. This enhances the flavor beautifully. Let the mixture cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes. It helps prevent ice crystals. Carefully pour the cooled fudge mixture into your prepared popsicle molds, filling each one almost to the top. Insert your popsicle sticks. Finally, it's time to freeze your fudge pops. Place the filled molds in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure they are completely solid. When you're ready to enjoy them, run warm water over the outside of the molds for a few seconds to help release the fudge pops easily. And hey, while you're waiting, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, refreshing fudge pops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.